Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to continue our chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. We are going to revise the chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Today we are going to discuss or revise angle, comparing angle. In front of you, if we draw this a two ray, a point is there. So the angle formed by this is angle AOB. This is the formation of the angle AOB. Now we are going to compare the angle. Comparing of the angle. How can you compare the angle? Comparing angle. You can compare the two angles. Angle can be compared either by inspection or tracing. Two methods are there: by inspection, by looking at them, and the second is the trace. You can overlap the both the angles by which you can see which angle is greater, which angle is smaller. So in front of us, you have a two angle. You have two angle BOA is there, and angle XYZ. Angle X, Y, Z. This is the two angle by which you can compare it. Angle XYZ on the trace paper. Place the XYZ on the BOA. So you have to trace this paper on this angle like XYZ on angle BOA, such that Y falls on O and YX along the BO. So Y alongs the O and YX along OB. So you have to search a place. So what we have to do? We have to draw the angle like this. This is your angle AOB, and you have to overlap this angle. How can you overlap it? O, Y falls on this, Y falls on O. So I will write in the shaded portion. This angle will be in the shaded portion like this. This is your Z, and this is your X. This is your Z, this is your X, this is your Y. So I will place this angle over this angle on this angle, so it will be overlap. So now you can easily say both the angles are there, angle AOB and angle XY and Z. Now you can easily compare which angle is greater. So we can say that angle XYZ is smaller than angle AOB. So in this way, we can say that we can compare the two angles easily. Now the next thing is the measuring the angle. Measuring the angle. You can measure the angle measuring angle. Angle can be measured. The standard unit is what? Standard unit of measuring is degree. through degree you can measure this angle, and the instrument which is used to measure the angle, what we call, this is the protector. This is the protector through which you can easily measure the angle. Now this is your baseline, this point is at the center, this is the inner scale which is you have seen in this, and this is the outer scale. This is the inner scale and this is the outer scale. So how can you measure the angle? Measure of angle through inner scale. Suppose an angle is there in front of you, angle AOB is there. When the vertex of the, you have to measure the angle. You have to measure the angle. It is in the clockwise direction. When the vertex of the base, the measurement is the clockwise direction. This is the angle AOB. You have to place this angle over this center, and now you can easily measure with the help of inner scale. This is the inner scale. This is the inner scale. This angle is meets as angle 50. So this angle is equals to, this angle is what? 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree because we have measured along with the inner line. We have measured along with the inner line because this angle cuts at this 50 degree marked on the protector which is seen. So angle AOB is the 50 degree. So this is the inner scale. Next is the outer scale. Next is the outer scale. Suppose there is angle this is the outer scale. The measurement is in the clockwise direction. This is in the anti-clockwise direction and this is the clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction and this is the clockwise direction. So we are preferably uses, if the angle is outer scale, then we preferably use the outer scale. This outer scale will be used. This upper outer scale will be used. When this angle cuts at this, here it is 45 degree. This is the 45 degree which is marked on the protector. So this angle will be of 45 degree. This angle will be of 45 degree. So this is the outer scale. This is the outer scale. So here we are done to measuring of angle with the inner scale as well as with the outer scale. Now next thing is the types of angle. Next thing is the types of angle. We have to discuss the types of angles. Types of angles, a lot of angles are there according to the magnitude and the angle increases. So the name of the angle, first is the zero angle. First is the zero angle. The ray AB is initially positions. The angle formed is 0 degree. So the angle is AB is there on the this portion. OB is the initial position and OB overlaps on the AB. So this is the zero angle. This is the zero angle. Second is the acute angle. Second is the acute angle. In this, no angle will form. Acute angle is there. This is your right angle. So this is your acute angle. Acute angle, this is the angle is smaller than the right angle. Right angle means angle which is smaller than 90 degree. Angle which is smaller than 90 degree, whose value is greater than 0 degree. The angle is greater than 0 degree but smaller than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. It is an acute angle. Third is right angle. Third is right angle. This is the B, this is your A, this is your O. The angle formed OB has rotate quarter of a circle. It means it is rotate quarter of the circle. If you see the circle, it divided into 4 parts. So this is the quarter circle. The angle formed, this is the quarter circle. So the quarter circle is rotated. So it is of 90 degree. The angle formed is of 90 degree. Next is the obtuse angle. Next is obtuse angle. The angle which is largely 90 degree, the angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Here is angle B, this is your O, this is your A. So this angle formed is obtuse angle. The angle which is greater than 90 degree but it is always less than 180 degree. It is the obtuse angle. The straight angle, the straight angle is it's rotated half a circle. It's rotated half a circle. It's rotated a half a circle. Suppose the straight line. This is the straight line. So this is angle AOB. It is rotated a half a circle. So in this way, this is the straight angle. The next is the reflex angle. Next is reflex angle. So a ray is there. A ray is there. OB has rotated more than half a circle. More than half a circle. So it is rotated more than a half a circle. It is greater than 180 degree, but it is smaller than the 180 degree because it is not circular. It is not completed a round circle. A round circle is of 360 degree, but it is greater than 180 degree, but it is smaller than the complete angle. Complete angle means 360 degree angle. Now the next is the complete angle. The next is complete angle. Complete angle, it means it is circulated a full circle. It is circulated a full circle. It is circulated a full circle. This is the complete. This is 360 degree. This angle is 360 degree. So in this way we have revised the types of angle. Thank you, students.